Garlic is a very common food found in many kitchens throughout the world and has been around for hundreds of years. And while it's been used to season food, it's also a key ingredient that's been used in many home remedies for years. And because garlic is such a versatile ingredient, it has many beneficial qualities. Garlic has been used to flavor dishes, get rid of pests, and even play into the superstitions of chasing away vampires. Whatever the reason, we do know that garlic is a nutrient-dense food. It has many important qualities and can benefit your health in many different ways. Garlic is actually a very calorie-dense food, up to 100 calories per 100 grams. However, no one truly consumes that much garlic, so it's practically impossible to gain weight from eating garlic alone. Garlic has both complex carbohydrates and proteins that both improve your physical performance and your mental health. Garlic is also high in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and even magnesium. It's also high in allicin, which is a compound composed of sulfur. Garlic can treat infections, metabolic disorders, and even respiratory problems. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, which assists in cardiovascular health. It reduces the body's cholesterol levels and regulates the body's blood pressure. It can also help with increasing the body's blood flow and preventing premature aging. It can also kill germs better than some prescribed antibiotics. It can also help fight fluid buildup in the body and also prevent or reduce inflammation in the body's tissues. Garlic can improve pretty much every aspect of your bodily functions. So, why would I put garlic under my pillow? Well, this is an old family secret that's been used to improve sleep for generations. This is especially helpful for people who have difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. You see, garlic's sulfur-containing compounds and its strong aroma have a calming effect and can help your quality of sleep. Garlic's aroma is strong, and yes, it can be difficult. However, after just a few days or less, you'll get used to it and you'll be sleeping so soundly you'll not even notice. Garlic also has a positive effect on your performance throughout the day because it helps to recharge you during the night, so you're rested and energized for the next day. And another way to experience all the benefits of garlic's ability to help your sleep involves preparing a simple and natural drink that will help you relax. Here's the ingredients for this special nighttime elixir. 1 glass of milk, approximately 8 to 12 ounces. 1 clove of garlic, crushed. And 1 teaspoon of honey. Then, you simply combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan and heat until boiling. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then remove from the heat and let cool. Then add the honey and drink. For best results, you should drink it approximately 30 minutes before bed, but everyone is different, so feel free to adjust your timing to find what works best for you. In addition to being one of the best and most flavorful seasonings, garlic is a powerful ally for your overall health and wellness and will help alleviate your sleep challenges. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social, via email, or text. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.